Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn Standard 6 subject English poem Don't Give Up. First of all, we see the rhythm of the poem. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that great is a good is a done just by patience trying. Though young birds in a flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and next time they can keep up a little longer. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bore her, she has arisen again and grown loftier and prouder. If by easy work you a bit, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from the defeat, that's the test that tries you. That's the test that tries you. Now let us see meaning of the poem Don't Give Up. This poem was written by Phoebe Cary. Let us see first stanza. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. First two lines explanations here. Meaning, if you have tried and have not won, means if you take any work and you do work so many times on it, but you will not get success, then also you will not stop and cry. Next two lines. All that great and good is done just by patience trying. Means what? Whatever happened great and good in the world, why that happened great and good? Because that persons do their work. Patience trying means what here? Calmly. They do their work calmly without stopping. Poet want to explain this by giving different examples from the nature. In this second stanza, the poet gives us example of small young bird. What is said in this stanza here? Though young birds in a flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. He said in this stanza that the small bird first time when try to fly, at that time many times it falls, but it never stop of flying or not never give up his wish of flying. What is the effect of that? Its wings become strong, very strong. And what happened next time when it try to fly, at that time it can fly very long distance. The poet want to explain this by giving another example from the nature. He gives here example of the oak tree. What he says in this stanza here, though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bore her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. The oak tree is known for its sturdiness. Sturdy means what here? Strongness. This strong tree bow. Why it is bow? Because of the blast. Blast means what here? Heavy wind. Though it's bow again and again, he never give up of rising. It rise again. How it rise? Loftier and prouder. Loftier means it rise taller and taller, and firmly it remains strong. In the last stanza, poet come to you, student, and ask you questions. What he ask question? If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? What the poet said here? If you get success by doing simple work, then anybody from the world give you award? No, no one will give you award for that work. Then when you will get award? Gaining victory from the defeat. When you are on the way of defeat, unsuccess, at that time you bring that victory towards you, then everyone will praise you. And poet said that that's the test that tries you, and that is a test you do practice of your work. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget comment also.